make that inquiry, Senator Karungo Thangwa, so that we progress from there to the next witness.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I have one question for the witness. And the question is, I want to know his feeling that his father is coming to testify against him. I just want to know the feeling. And then, Mr. Speaker, if the witness got the job, could he have complained?
Proceed, Dennis.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, I think on humanitarian grounds, it's very sad, it's very emotional that my dad is against the reality, is against the truth. He's colluding with somebody who took my money. He's calling her fund instead of what they call facilitation. It isn't a good feeling as a son. And the second question you asked, I think, if the facilitation that I was asked really was needed and it led me to the job, then why could I be here? I would comfortably work in the office. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable members, my dashboard is full. You're all aware these are time-bound proceedings, and we must progress. How do we progress? I will not allow any additional member to seek any clarification. We will have a period within which to get at our time those confirmations. And I will therefore direct that the witness can step down. Thank you very much, Dennis. And counsel, proceed to call your next witness. And as you prepare to call the witness, you will indicate the time that you will require for that particular witness, so that we cap the time you will take to take the examination in chief as well as cross-examination, so that for purposes of time, it's now 12 minutes past 6 p.m. You've taken with your first witness over 2 hours, 30 minutes. And what is actually remaining is 1 hour, 20 minutes. I need to know how much time will you require for your next witness.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you for that guidance. For purposes of this witness, who was the move of the motion, we'll need approximately 30 minutes for examination.
30 minutes?
For exam in chief.
Okay, fine, fair enough. Senior Counsel Katwa.
May we request for equal time for cross-examination?
I'll give you less. I'll give you 20 minutes.
Okay, we'll try to make do. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Ndegwa, proceed to...
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Our next witness is Mr. Honorable Wycliffe Siocha. Good evening.
You may proceed to be sworn in.
I, Wycliffe Siocha Kesongori, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Would you kindly praise your names and your qualification and what you do for purpose of record?
My name is Wycliffe Songori. I'm an elected member for the Kisii County Assembly representing the people of Ichuni Ward. I'm a financial manager and a panga by profession. I'm the chair committee on implementation in the Kisii County Assembly, a member to the health committee, a member to the liaison committee. I'm a family man and a father.
Thank you. In respect to this motion, what was your role?
I was the mover.
You're the mover.
Yes.
You have charged the deputy governor with the offenses ranging from gross violation of the Constitution, gross violation of misconduct, and violation of the written laws and abuse of office, yes?
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Why have you placed a charge, or why have you preferred the said charges? If we were to begin with the charge, and perhaps before we go to the charges, how are you seized of this matter?
The genesis of the motion that is before you, Honorable Senators, is as a result of a complaint letter I received from one Dennis Misati.
When is the date of the complaint letter?
The date of the complaint letter was received in my office on 21st of December, and it was addressed to me, and it was written by one Dennis Misati.
Honorable members, I'm referring to the letter at page 1 of the County Assembly's bundle of document, page 1. Is that the letter dated the 19th?
Yeah, that is the letter.
Is that the letter that formed the basis of your impeachment
Senator
motion?
Cheptumo.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, that is the letter.
Council Ndegwa, just hold. Senator Cheptumo, you know how to catch the eye of the chair. What's your point of intervention?
Mr. Speaker, I don't intend to interrupt the proceedings, but I thought the witness should be able to rely on his affidavit. He is not being able to confirm to the House that is relying on the affidavit in his evidence. I think that, Mr. Speaker, is very important.
Cheptumo, the witness is led by a counsel. I don't expect you, therefore, to direct on how he wants to do it. Let him proceed in his own case.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the protection. Yes?
I had said, Mr. Speaker, that the genesis of the motion before the Senate is as a result of the letter that I received from one Dennis Misati, which is dated 19th, but was received on my office on 21st December 2023.
Let's go to the first charge that appears at page 15 of the bundle of documents by the County Assembly. That is the motion. Are you there?
Yes.
You've charged him for violating the Constitution, Article 73, 74, and 75, yes?
That is true.
Did you conduct any preliminary investigations before?
Yes, I did.
Yes, in your investigation, what was revealed?
In my investigation, what was revealed is that indeed there was conversing between the deputy governor involving the family of one Joseph Misati and the chief executive officer for the WASCO, that is the water, the company for the Gusii Water and Sanitation Company.
What were the canvassing for?
First, there is a meeting that was initiated by the deputy governor, which took place in his home. And the members who were present in that meeting were the family members of one Joseph Misati. And also present on that meeting was one Dennis Misati.
Yes.
Where they already done an interview with the WASCO, the Gusii Water and Sanitation Company, for the position of the commercial manager.
Did you confirm in your investigation whether that interview or that advertisement or application was actually there?
Yes, I did. I made a follow-up to the office of the director, the managing director, and made inquiries on exactly what transpired. She did a statement to my office, which is annexed here. Also, she provided to me the M-Pesa statements because the allegations were that she also received a portion of the money. So she gave me, or else she provided with me a M-Pesa statement, which indeed I confirmed that there was some money that was sent from the M-Pesa number for one Deputy Governor, Robert Onsare Monda, to the M-Pesa number for one Rusu Waito.
I don't
but
want
again,
to, yes.
on the same, I noted that the money was reversed again after two days.
Did you confirm the purpose as to why the Deputy Governor received the money from Dennis Misati and Joseph Misati?
Yeah, from my investigations, I noted that upon one Dennis Misati doing the interview, they went to the home upon the invitation of the Deputy Governor, and the Deputy Governor promised to help them get the job by offering a small fee. They call it a small fee. So, and the small fee in this question is whooping 800,000. But what I know from my investigation, the total amount of money that was given to one Deputy Governor, Monda, was 789,000.
Did you get to know who triggered this action as to who moved the Deputy Governor for this position? And if yes, were you in the County Assembly on the 29th of February 2022? And if yes, did you witness him testifying to that effect of the evidence appearing at page 189 of the bundle by the County Assembly? Page 189.
Let me use this.
Did you witness the Deputy Governor confirming that he was soliciting for favors?
I was there. I heard him personally say.
Did you witness him confirming that he approached both the CEO, that is of the Guasco?
Yes, I heard him confirm.
And on page 189 of the bundle of documents, what document is that?
That is the answered report for the Kisii County Assembly process.
What is the Deputy Governor saying at the last paragraph, which says, Mr. Speaker, just as a good friend, yes?
The Deputy Governor, said, and I read, like any other leader, Mr. Speaker, this request came to everyone, to me. Every honorable members know that Lucy in Wasco will work, and like many. Just, this one. Okay. Mr. Speaker, it reads, Mr. Speaker, just as good friends.